Let's talk a little bit about your upcoming workshop at WiCyS, the Women in Cybersecurity Conference. That's going to be March, I believe, 23rd, 24th in Chicago. What are your goals for that workshop?
I hope that educators will come most importantly because I want them to see that it's not necessarily a hard thing to coach. The skills, you're already getting the skills in the classroom. You just have to get them really comfortable um, and get them confident. You know, they probably already have most of these skills. Um, the second goal is I want students to come because I want them to see that like they can definitely, if they have no support from their school, they can start a team if they want to, and they could really build something great. You know, you don't have to have a huge background. You can just go for it, and you can get your friends to just go for it with you. Um, it's the perfect starting place in this field to really get some real world scenarios.